All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Legacy podcast. I am your host, Jason Gruber, jumping right into it today. Guys, today is January 9th. Feel Good Friday, baby. Listen, this is what we do every Friday here at the Legacy podcast. We get a positive story from the week. We get a positive message that we want to keep on promoting. Because over here, we truly believe that as we get positive things that happen in life and as we congregate towards positive things that happen, the more we can cycle that, the more we can keep on replicating that in society, guys, the better we become as peoples, man. Guys, this one 100% fits that bill. Listen, the terminology of these things are always crazy. Anti-aging drug. Let's get down to what it actually is. Guys, they've actually developed a pill. So much like you have headache pills, blah, 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 a pill that is regrowing knee cartilage. Now, it's only been proven in mice. So obviously, take that with a grain of salt. We're conducting clinical trials of it right now in humans. But guys, the implications of this, arthritis, joint issues, we're talking billions of dollars. And we're talking about the human body becoming more efficient and functional. But here's the kicker, guys, and I always talk about this a lot. We don't understand the side effects of drugs. So what might work for one person might not work even for another person. And I'm not taking away that there are some life-saving drugs out there, because there certainly are. And there are people that need certain amount of XYZ ABC to get this. And that is great because we need that. But there are a lot of things that we don't know down the line that can happen, guys. And that's a slippery slope that we always have to be cognizant of, because it might work today, but it might not work 5 years down the line from now, or who knows what can happen down the line from now. But guys, if we're talking about no surgeries, if we're talking about the crazy thing of stem cells, no stem cells, and our body is efficiently reproducing this by only taking a pill, guys, that's a game changer. Think of the further implications that it can do throughout the body, of us being able to, like, much like you take a pill to regrow hair, a pill isn't as bad as some of the stuff that we have to do with it right now. And so that's the cool thing that it is that we can talk about with this. We know it's not going to fix the problem of us anti-aging. We all know, as far as right now, that as humans, as we grow older, our body does break down, man. But if we can get these things in life that help us live more functional and create better ways for us to be healthy, guys, that's the coolest thing that we can do as humans here, is give ourselves chances to be able to create more life for us. Because the more we can experience it then, man, and as it should be experienced, instead of with the pains and with the aches of what it is that we can or can't have per se, of what our bodies are capable or incapable of doing. So that's some cool stuff for us to be able to check in with, man, because anything in the health related industry, we're a big fan of here. We always like promoting health. And once again, fundamentally wise, we like being proactive and not being able to take drugs or have to do stuff like that. But we understand at the same time that there are things that some people need for us being able to do that. And so we're always an advocate over here, especially of being able to have stuff like this, because it's so cool for us to be able to have the ability to live till 150, 200 years old. Who knows? And more importantly than just the life in years, the functionality of us to be able to be mobile, man, be able to still have and do stuff for as long as we can. That's so fascinating, and that's so cool for us to be able to see, man. So we're hoping that this all goes well, hoping that it continues to head towards that direction, and anything that we can keep on promoting and being able to not only advocate for this, but to get more stories out there like this, so we can get more research done that is actually good here and that is actually doing good stuff here, man. We're always big fans of stuff like that. Let's go, baby. We love seeing stuff like this. Keep on trying to find the good in whatever it is that you're trying to do here, guys. That's what it's about.